William Hurley here, just a short video on manual drafting and types of lines, angles and all that. So, types of lines in manual drafting. You can have a continuous tick line. This is usually used for the outline of the drawing. I'll relate it to a drawing we did in the lab. So lines like this. Continuous tick line is used to outline the whole drawing. The continuous thin line would be more of a construction line. So it'll be thinner and less of a line weight. So it'll be lines like so. Used for your own good, and they're meant to be as thin as possible. Hidden detail lines are meant to show detail in a drawing that cannot be seen in a certain view, like so. So, and it's a line where it's, you draw a line, have a gap, draw a line, have another gap, like so. Center lines are used in, let's say, circles or axes, or even the center of a drawing, like so. Like in this drawing, the center line through the middle of this view. Angle is formed with your 30 degree set square, 36 degree set square. You can form a 30 degree angle and a 60 degree angle using it by placing it flat on a line and just drawing up 30 degrees, and also placing it flat on another line and drawing 60. It can also be done with the 45 degree set square. By placing it flat on an edge and drawing up like so, 45 degrees. If you were to draw a line, 45 degree angles are actually used in manual drafting when drawing different views. So if I have this view here and I want to bring the lines over from this view to this view, well then I would draw them straight across over to this view. And if I want to bring lines that I need from this view down to the plan, then I would draw them down to the base and bring them down at 45 degrees. And say if I want to find this point up here, if I want to find that down the plan, well then and I have these two views drawn, then I would bring it over to the in view and I would drop it all the way down to the plan. So, and when I bring it down here, or over to the in view, and I find the point, then I drop it down to here, go 45 degrees, and where it meets from coming down here, and that's your point. You always bring it down 45 degrees. So, 90 degrees and 45 degrees. Say you want to draw lines that are a line that is parallel to another line. Well then, you would get your set square, two set squares, place one up against the other, and make sure that it is in line with it. And then you can move it up and down the set square. And every time you move it, the line on the edge will always be parallel, like so. And if you wanted to draw a line perpendicular, well then you will place the set square on the line, and then place the other set square like so, and this, to form an 80 degree angle. And once this is flat, up against the line, place this set square up against this, and draw a line, and that will be 90 degrees.